What are the different types of SSL certificates? There are several different types of certificates that CAs can issue. The right type of certificate depends on your individual objectives. For example, some organizations only need an SSL certificate to transmit confidential data securely through encryption. Others may want to show customers they've gone through a stringent vetting process to obtain their certificate to appear more legitimate. Extended Validation EV certificates. These types of certificates require the highest degree of vetting in order to obtain. They not only verify domain ownership, but also request a significant amount of information from the organization. The issuance process of an EV SSL certificate is defined in the EV guidelines, which was formally prescribed by the Certificate Authority or Browser Forum in 2007. This set of guidelines requires that CAs obtain the following information before issuance of an EV SSL certificate: verifying the legal, physical, and operational existence of the entity, verifying that the identity of the entity matches official records, verifying that the entity has the exclusive right to use the domain specified in the EV SSL certificate, verifying that the entity has properly authorized the issuance of the EV SSL certificate. EV SSL certificates can be obtained by all types of business organizations, including governmental, incorporated, and unincorporated. The organization validation certificate requires less stringent of a process to obtain. In this case, the CA still validates domain ownership and also requires some additional company information. One benefit of this type of certificate is the secure site seal that gives enhanced legitimacy to the domain name by adding the company name on the URL address bar. Domain validation SSL certificates. The domain validation certificate is likely the most popular type of certificate used. It's also the cheapest and easiest to obtain. In this course, we show you how to obtain and install one for free using a popular certificate authority known as Let's Encrypt. In this case, the CA validates the domain ownership but does not require additional information about the organization requesting the certificate. Despite this fact, all data is securely encrypted under the SSL certificate.